Changing your password on Hopper is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your password securely. Step 1. Open the Hopper app. Launch the Hopper app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings by tapping on your profile icon, usually located in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Change Password. In the Account Settings menu, look for the option labeled Change Password and select it to proceed. Step 4. Enter current and new password. You will be prompted to enter your current password followed by your new password. Make sure your new password meets any specified security requirements. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the required information, tap on the Save or Update button to confirm your new password. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully changed. Once you've completed these steps, your password will be updated and you can log in with your new credentials.